Hello YouTube, back again with another video. So today, you guys know it, we're going to be talking about the HP Z400 again. So recently on eBay, I managed to saw this great deal on these four sticks of DDR3 memory, and each stick consists of 8 gigabytes, and it only cost me £30, 30 UK pounds for all four sticks. And in the manual, in the HP Z400 manual, it says it doesn't support 8 gigs DIMM, but it actually does. And I was thinking to myself, for £30 for 32 gigs of DDR3 memory, right here in the picture. Why not, right? Why not? So give that a try. And sure enough, I put it in. Works perfectly, and you can tell on the Spec C and the CPU Z here, absolutely working fine. Triple memory is working. It's a 1333 megahertz here, and it's great. Um, Everything works just like the 24 gigabytes. But one thing you might have to be aware of is the RAM order when you put it in the motherboard, the HP Z400 motherboard, which is the RAM, the installation order. So I don't know whether you can see guys here below. I left slot 5 and left slot 6 for the 4 gigabytes RAM stick, and I left 1, 2, 3, 4 right here for the 8 gigabytes DIMM sticks, and everything works perfectly. Everything's fine. And then yeah, it shows us 40 gigabytes of memory, and it's amazing. I opened 6 gigabytes of programs, and that's only using 60%, 15% of the whole capacity. I know some of you might be thinking, oh, you can go for 48 gigabytes in total, having a six having 8 gigabytes in each DIMM slot. 8 times 6 equal 48. But then I can't seem to find a deal as cheap as this. £30 for 32 gigabytes of unbuffered 10600E RAM. Where'd you find that? So with all this amount of RAM, I decided to get myself this program, the Primo RAM Disk Ultimate Edition, and it's amazing. You can create a RAM disk, and if you guys have an NVMe SSD drive, you can use this and set up a temporary drive. So for example, you send an 8 gig drive here, make it a one-time disk, and it will automatically show up as a RAM disk here, and you can access it, you can put files in it, and yeah, it works just like a normal disk. So let's check out the SSD benchmark score for this. It's great. So on this HP Z400, it's restricted to a SATA 2 port. And let's look at the sequential benchmark for I don't know, my gaming drive, which I'll use a gigabyte SSD, 255 gigabytes. Let's press start. And bear in mind, this is limited by the SATA 2 port. So I'm getting 255 megabytes right, and then a similar score for the read speed. So 264, as you can see here, and that's again limited by SATA 2. So let's look at the RAM disk here on our HP Z400. Just a sequential benchmark, and I'm getting, wow, look at that, 3 gigabytes 3.3 gigabytes of write speed and read speed of 2.6 gigabytes. Wow, this is amazing. So if you guys can't afford a NVMe drive or can't be asked with an NVMe adapter that you plug to your PCI expansion slot, then having a temporary RAM disk as fast as this might help in some programs and in some games, especially loading times. So I haven't actually put any games or software onto the temporary drive or the RAM disk, but maybe I should try that soon and compare the performance. That's it from this video. Just a quick update to say that the 8 GB sticks actually works, and on the HP Z400, and you're actually looking to buy, RAM sticks that's 100% will work on a HP Z400, the 6-slot edition. You know, here just copy down the serial code and the model number, and it will 100% work with your HP Z400. And if you feel like dishing out money, you can upgrade it to 48 gigabytes. But again, lucky for me, I got this for £30. So not a bad upgrade at all. Yeah, so to see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra.